Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install LM Studio and Gemma 4 locally on Windows 11. Now I am going to download LM Studio. Open web browser. I am using Mozilla Firefox. You can use your favorite browser. Click Not Now. Go to Search. Type here. Download LM Studio. Press Enter. Click on first link, lmstudio.ai. Now the LM Studio official website is open. It already selected Windows and running x86 version 0.4.12. Click on Download for Windows. Now the downloading is started. It is 579 megabits setup file. You will have to wait until the downloading is completed. Downloading is completed. Let's right-click on it. Click Show in Folder. Here it is our LM Studio setup file. Let's right-click on it. Click Open. License Agreement. Click Agree. Choose Installation Options. You have two options. Anyone who uses this computer or only for me. So it's my personal computer. I am going to leave as default this option. Click Next. Choose Install Location. LM Studio install the following location. Now I am going to leave as default this option. Click Install. LM Studio installation in progress. You will have to wait until the installation is completed. Now completing LM Studio setup. As you can see this checkbox which is checked, which is going to run the LM Studio as soon as I click on this Finish button, which is going to launch the LM Studio on my Windows 11 operating system. Close Downloads. Close Web Browser. So now as you can see this LM Studio has been launched. Click on Get Started. Updating LLM Catalog. Now you can see it says your first model. Currently I don't have any installed model. So it's recommend to download Gemma 4 model. It is latest open source version from Google. It takes 6.33 gigabits space on my computer. So now I am going to download Gemma 4. Click on Download Gemma 4. It will take some time to download. It's depend on your internet speed. Now Gemma 4 download successfully. Click on Continue. And in the next screen you'll find advanced settings. Just enable developer mode, keep the local LM service set to start on login, leave everything as it is, and hit Continue. Now you can see LM Studio is open. Click on New Chat. Click on Close. Now go to the top and select Model. As you can remember, we have downloaded this model. So I am going to select this model. Once this model is loaded, you can just give your prompt. So we will start with very simple prompt. Write a loop program code in Java language. Press Enter. Now Gemma 4 model is now generating the answer for this prompt. As you can see, it's thinking, and everything is running locally on my Windows operating system. Now it's printing a simple Java loop program. It's working through the process and generating the code step by step. Once the program is complete, it also provides instructions on how to run it. So now all type of Java loop program is created. For loop, while loop, enhanced for loop, do while loop. So everything is working perfectly. As you can see, this latest Gemma model is really powerful. With the right resources, it can become an extremely capable tool, and the best part is, it's running completely locally on our system. It's not connected to any cloud which is a major advantage of using tools like LM Studio and open source models. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to install LM Studio and Gemma 4 install locally on your system. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.